So if you see a message like this on the contacts app of your iPhone that duplicates have been found, here's what to do. So on the contact app, you open it up and it tells you that some duplicate contacts have been found. So all you have to do is tap on view duplicates. So you can actually see all the duplicate contacts. For instance, if I can open any contact like this one, you can see it has 3 separate contacts. And so what you want to do is merge these contacts. So if you tap on merge and then confirm you want to merge those contacts, they're going to become one contact. And so on the main page, you can actually tap on merge all, and that's going to merge all duplicate contacts. And then you'll no longer have duplicate contacts. And then if it has more, it's going to find some more duplicate contacts. You can do the same, just tap on merge all. And if for some reason that does not seem to be working, you can go and do that for every group of my duplicate contacts. So for instance, I can come here and merge all these contacts. That's going to disappear from the list, and I can do this for all my duplicate contacts. Now, if there's no contact like this one, then you can go ahead and ignore. Okay, so let's continue merging this. And I've currently sorted out all duplicate contacts. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.